Good morning, children. I hope you all are good at home. Today we will learn the chapter 5 patterns. In this chapter, we will learn about how to recognize the numbers, and you can also create a new patterns also. What do you mean by patterns? Patterns is an arrangement of lines, shapes, numbers, etc. Exercise 8. Understand the following patterns and complete them. Here the shape is like this, and here this shape is sleeping, and again the shape is standing here, again it is sleeping. So after this shape, the shape should stand here like this. Next, these two arrows are going up here, here going on right side, and here going down. Then these two row arrows goes to the left side, again here it goes up. Next, here the shape is moving here to the second position. The square came here, and the triangle when coming here, it is this angle is showing on the right hand side. Again here the circle is goes here, and rectangle is going up, and again coming to this, again the circle is going here up, and this rectangle is going this side here, and the square is coming to down, and when going this triangle here, this shape, this angle is showing down here like this. Next, again coming to here, again the circle moves here, and the rectangle moves here, and the square moves here, and when this triangle goes up, and this angle also showing this side, again coming here, same like that, they moving like this. But when this triangle moving here, this angle shows up. And next, complete the series. In this series, first one is 7, 12, 17, 22. Then what is the difference between 7 and 12 here? 5 is the difference. Here you can do 12 minus 7, 5. 5 is the difference, so we can add 5 here by adding 5 to 7. Our answer is 12. Again adding 5 to 12, 17 will come. Again adding 5 to 17, 22 will come. Again we add plus 5 to 22, 27 is the answer. Again by adding plus 5 to 27, we get 32. Next, second one, 10, 20, 30, 40. Observe here which pattern is going here, adding plus 10. By adding plus 10, we are getting 20. By adding 10, we are getting 30. Again 40, 50, 60, so on. And again here the third question is 29, 25, 19, 14. Observe this, 29 and 24. What is the difference here? 5 difference. By subtracting 5 from 29, we will get 24. Again by subtracting 5 from 24, we will get 19. By subtracting 5 from 19, we will get 14. Again subtracting 5 from 14, we will get 9. Again subtracting 5 from 9, we will get 4. Next, identify patterns and filling the blanks. Here we get this pattern. Now observe this. 2 ones are 2. By multiplying these two, we will get 2. Again 3 twos are 6. 4 threes are 12. Again multiplying these two, 6 twos are 12. 12 6 are 72. Again multiply these two. 72 12 are 864. Again here 7 8 9 10 we got, but here by adding 7 and 8 we will get 15. By adding 9 and 10 we will get 19. So we should add these both. 8 plus 9 17. 15 plus 17 32. 17 plus 19 36. Again 32 plus 36 68. Now some extra questions for pattern. Find the number in pattern. Okay. A, C, F, J. What is the difference between A and C? B, C. By adding 2. Again for C, D, E, F. By adding 2. Again F, G, H, I, J. B, C. Sorry, here difference between A and C is 2. B, C. By adding 2 we will get C. Here by adding 3, D, E, F we will get F. Here by adding 4, G, H, I, J. By adding 4 we are getting J. Here by adding 5, K, L, M and O. We will get O here. And next 25. For 25 by adding 5 we will get here 30. Okay. By after 30 here adding 10 we will get 40. Again here adding 5, not 5, 15. By adding 15 we are getting 55. After that we should add 20. Then we will get 75. Next here 101, 202, 303, 404. Then here we will get 505. Next here the shape is having 3 lines, 1 2 3. Here how many lines it is having? 1 2 3 4. Here we are having 1 2 3 4 5. Then we should add one line here like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the answer. Here for the orange, here he cancelled, he did not return O and E. Then answer is R, A and G. Again here also we will not write R and G here, first one and last one. Then here our answer is A and N. Next 32, 40, 48, 56. Observe that here the difference is 8. So by adding 8 we will get answer here. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Then here 64 is the answer. By adding 8 to 64 you will get here 72. Okay. And next here 7 1 is 7. Here multiplying with 1. Here 7 3 is 21. Here 7 5 is 35. 7 7 is 49. It means that we are multiplying with odd numbers. Okay. We are multiplying with odd numbers here. After 7 we are having 9. Multiply with 9. 9 7 is 63 will be the answer. After 9 what is the odd number? Multiply with 11. 7 11 is 77 is the answer. Next here 100. By subtracting 20 to 100 we will get 80. Again minus 20 60. Again minus 20 40. Here again minus 20. It will be the 20. Again here 20 minus 20, 0 will be the answer. Again here observe the pattern. 2, 3, 4. Again starting from here 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Again here starting from here 4, 5, 6. Again starting with 5, 6, 7. Then we should start from here 6, 7, 8, and the next pattern will be starting with 7, 7, 8, 9. Next one, this square is separated with 2 parts. Again here how many parts? 4 parts. Again here 6 parts. Now it should be 8 parts here. It is separated with 8 parts. Again in the K1 the dot is here and it is moving to here. In the next one it is moving to down, and the next one it is moving to middle. Again in the next box it is moved to the right side. Next one, here 22. 22, what is the difference between 22 and 8? It will be the 6 minus 6. Okay. Again here also 7. What is the difference between these two? 28 and 21? Minus 7. Again here 1. It is becoming plus 6. 21 plus 6, 27. Here what is the difference between 27 and 20? Here again minus 7. Again here plus 7. Sorry, here 22 plus 28 plus 7. Okay. 22 plus 6, 28. 28 minus 7, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 minus 7, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. 26 minus 7, 19. Again we will do here plus 19 plus 6. Answer will be the 25. Again here minus 7, 25 minus 7 will be the answer will be 18 will be the answer. In the M question, 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, how much? 8 plus 5 will be the 13, 13 plus 8, 21, again 21 plus 13, 34 will be the answer. Next one, here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. It means that here we are multiplying with 2. Then 16 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are how much? 32. Again 32 2s are 64. Next one, 3, 5, 7, 9. These all are the odd numbers. After 9 we will get 11. After 11, 13. Thank you, children.